the sudden retirement from international cricket of West Indies white ball specialist Nicholas Pooran has sent tongues wagging with speculation. Oh, there is more to this than meets the eye. Something in a something and blah, blah, blah. But hey, no need to overanalyze. It is as clear as crystal. Many modern West Indian T20 players, including Pooran, have little or no interest in playing for the West Indies. They literally make millions playing franchise white ball cricket compared to thousands playing any format for the West Indies. Even if we don't like it, we must understand Pooran's decision. Let me put it this way. If you had the choice between doing 5 full days of rigorous work on this side for $5,000 or $10,000, or on this side doing 3 hours of less strenuous work for 2 or 3 hours, $400,000 or $500,000, which job or which